guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute wristless key fob keychains. So if you're interested, then stick around. So everything I used in this tutorial will be linked over at my blog, which is charmedbyashley.com. I'm using some cotton fabric, fusible fleece interfacing, and a key fob hardware. I grabbed mine over at my local fabric land, but you can get them at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Amazon, anywhere in the world. And this is one that I finished. Super easy, super quick, and you can make a ton of them for all your friends. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take a piece of fabric that measures 4 inches by 12 inches. I am working with a 1-inch hardware, so keep that in mind. And I'm going to be taking that piece, folding it lengthways, and then ironing that. And then I'm going to open it up, fold down one side so that the raw edge is in line with the middle of that first fold. And then I will do that on the other side, just like this. And then I'm going to grab my fusible fleece and I'm going to place that inside one of the folds. I tried using 2, but then it just made it way too bulky, so 1 piece of fusible fleece is perfect. If you don't have fusible fleece, you could use a medium weight interfacing and just do the whole entire piece, and then that will give it some good stability. You want it to be nice and sturdy so that you can just slip your wrist in whenever you need to. Okay, so now I'm just going to sew down the one side of the fabric where it's opened, so we can secure that down, and then we will sew down the other side to match that, just so that it looks like a strap. Now from here, if you are confident in your sewing a straight line ability, then you can do additional lines down the center, maybe again, maybe even again. You can even do a little quilting design if you want to, but this is what I chose to do today. And then after that, I just squared off the sides so that it was nice and clean. I'm going to fold it in half and then I'm going to place it into my hardware. This is how fast this project is, and so cute. It would be such an awesome idea for maybe a bridal shower, baby shower, bachelorette weekends, you know, something like that. Totally adorable, and everybody loves them. So I'm just going to use some regular pliers. There are actual real key fob pliers out in the world. I will link those at my blog, but I don't have them, so I'm just using a piece of scrap fabric to protect the hardware from my pliers, and then I'm just going back and forth just to make sure that it's nice and even and I get all the fabric caught in there, and there's little teeth in there that will grab onto the fabric so that it won't pull out. And then that's it. So cute. I totally love this. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you make this, I would love to see it. So follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all linked below. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!